All the music that I've been putting on the internet is on streaming services now. All of them, all the streaming services. It's my new volume of songs. Elijah Stoll, Songs Volume 6. It's coming out on cassette tape. Want your own copy? It's available for pre-order now. No tape player? No problem. I am selling a tape in a bundle with a tape, a cassette player, and a zine with lyrics and stuff. Want more information? Go to bugbody.com/Elijah Stoll or call 405-561-2085. Leave a message.